And this is where you're going to have to evolve over time. Even if you're an experienced trader, you start to learn that psychology becomes just as important as all these other pieces we build the framework for, that you have to learn what your own stumbling blocks are. When do you have trouble pulling the trigger? Do you have trouble pulling the trigger on the way into the trade? We'll show you how to get around that. Do you have trouble pulling the trigger on the way out of the trade? We're going to talk about, when we go into looking at some live examples in the current markets, how you would manage your risk, because everybody talks about how much money they made. But I always want to know first, how much money could I lose? How much risk do I really have, knowing that I can pull the trigger? And if you're not sure you can pull the trigger, you need to frankly get back out of the markets and do some paper trading, and then start small back into little contract sizes and build up. Because one of the great things about the trading markets is that they're scalable. You can take, once you prove it to yourself, you can actually take it and scale it up in size. But until you know in your heart of hearts that you can execute, and I would say any method you're looking to implement coming out of here, you should definitely be saying, okay, at least put it through at least 20 trades in a row that you can follow without any deviation in following that method. If you do the first 10 and you're 10 for 10, then do another 10. If you do the first 10 and you blow it on a trade and don't execute like you know the system said you should, start the count all over and prove it to yourself. So rather than me telling you how much money you can make from these methods, go prove it to yourself that you can follow these methods successfully. And believe me, they'll show you from what you see here today just how you can do that.